Yeah, we're gonna be replacing the band to this one, and for this we're going to install the pin right into the band. Even though it's shorter, you still have to install it inside, and then we'll have to put it in like that and go over this side right there. Actually, it's not that difficult, it's pretty easy setup. So once you put it in, make sure it's there. So now it's nicely fit and doesn't come out. This was a Radomir Panerai alarm watch, wristwatch, band replacement. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it helped. So if you liked it, please put your thumbs up, share it, subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good one.